Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics class 12 from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we solve the exercise of scalar dot product of vector of question number 4. Find the projection of a vector on a given vector. The vector as I plus 3j, vector A I plus 3j plus 7k on vector B 7i minus j plus 8k 7i minus j plus 8k. Now write the cap I cap, j cap, k cap, I cap, j cap and k cap. When we find the projection of vector A on vector B is equal to vector A dot vector B upon modulus of vector B. Vector A dot vector B equal to modulus of vector B, vector A I cap 3j cap plus 7k cap dot product 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap upon modulus of vector B 7 square minus 1 square plus 8 square. Now equal to 7 minus 3 plus 56 upon 49 plus 1 plus 64 is equal to 60 upon under root 114. 60 upon 114 units is the projection of a vector on another vector. The vector A and vector B are given. Clear? Next. Next question, question number 5. Show that each of the given three vector is a unit vector. The vector 1 upon 7 1 upon 7 2i plus 3j plus 6k 1 upon 7 3i minus 6j plus 2k 1 upon 7 6i plus 2j minus 3k. Also show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Let us suppose that the three vector is vector A, vector B and vector C. Let vector A is equal to 1 by 7 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Vector B equal to 1 by 7 3i minus 6j plus 2k. And vector C equal to 1 by 7 6i plus 2j minus 3k. Find the vector as a unit vector modulus of vector A. 1 upon 7 under root 2 square 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 1 by 7 under root 4 plus 9 plus 36 is equal to 1 by 7 into 7, that's equal to 1. The value of mod A, vector mod A is equal to 1, so it is a unit vector. Similarly, now we find the modulus of vector B, 1 by 7 under root 3 square minus 6 square plus 2 square 1 by 7 under root 9 plus 36 plus 4 equal to 1 by 7 into 7, that's equal to 1. So vector B is also a unit vector. And the mod of vector C 1 by 7 under root 6 square plus 2 square minus 3 square is equal to 1 by 7 under root 36 plus 4 plus 9 and 1 by 7 into 7, that's equal to 1. So the vector A, vector B, vector A equal to vector B equal to vector C equal to 1. This shows that R three vector are a unit vector. Three vector are a unit vector. Now the vector A, vector B and vector C are given, then we find the modulus of each vector. The value of the modulus of each vector is 1, then the vector is a unit vector. Next part, also show that the vector A, vector B and vector C are mutually perpendicular. Then we find the scalar dot product of two vectors. The value of two vectors have a scalar product are 0, then the vectors are perpendicular to each other. Vector A, vector B and vector C. All these vectors are perpendicular to each other. Then we find the scalar dot product of vector A and vector B. If the scalar dot product of vector A and vector B are equal to 0, then the vector A and vector B are mutually perpendicular. So 1/7 2i plus 3j plus 6k dot product 1/7 3i minus 6j plus 2k is equal to 1/49 2i plus 3j plus 6k and dot product 3i minus 6j plus 2k. Therefore 1/49 6 minus 18 plus 12 1/49 18 minus 18 that's equal to 0. So A and B are perpendicular Similarly, we also find the vector B and vector C. Vector B dot vector C 1/7 3i minus 6j plus 2k dot product 1/7 6i plus 2j minus 3k is equal to 1/49 3i 6j plus 2k dot product 6i plus 2j minus 3k and therefore 1/49 18 minus 12 minus 6 and 1/49 18 minus 18 that's equal to 0 and vector B and vector C are perpendicular. Then similarly we also find the vector C and vector A. Vector C and vector A. vector C and vector A. 1 by 7 6i plus 2j minus 3k dot product 1 by 7 2i plus 3j plus 6k is equal to 1 upon 49 6i plus 2j minus 3k dot product 2i plus 3j plus 6k is equal to 1 upon 49 12 plus 6 minus 18 and 1 upon 49 18 minus 18, that's equal to 0. Vector C and vector A are perpendicular. So therefore vector A, vector B and vector C are already mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, thank you.